Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Nokia C21 Plus. And to do this you will need to start the Google Play Store. Here try to find an app called Microsoft Edge. It's this one right here. We can click on it and select install. After installation process is complete, you can select open. Here we can customize that browser, sign in to turn on synchronization. You can also skip it right there. Set up for a data sharing preferences, accept or not, and proceed by clicking on confirm. Here set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And from here now we can start using that browser. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.